Hey, Cassidy Tuttle here, creator of the Succulents and Sunshine blog and that free guide that is now on its way to your inbox. And really quick, I just want to give you a special offer on the latest product that we released here at Succulents and Sunshine. It's called Success, a beginner's guide to indoor succulents. And in this guide, I answer the question that I get asked the most about succulent growing. And that's, how often should I water my succulents? Like, how many days should I wait in between watering? And the answer to that question depends a little bit on where you live and what succulents you're growing. So that can make it a little bit tricky. But I have helped thousands of people figure out the perfect watering schedule for their succulents based on where they live. And what I've done in this guide is just mapped out that watering schedule. And I'll tell you the exact number of days to water depending on what plants you're growing and where you live. It makes it super easy to follow. All you have to do is follow the daily guide and my recommendations for how to water. And there's even a little tracker in the guide that you can print out so that you can mark when you water, so you don't have to guess or remember when the last time was. So what I want you to do is just click the button below, download that guide, and then save it to your phone or save it to your computer, read through it. It'll maybe take like 20, maybe 30 minutes. It's a super quick read, and start implementing this new watering schedule with your succulents. They are going to look amazing, and the best part is you're not going to kill another succulent if you follow this method. And if you do follow the method and for some reason one of your succulents dies, just shoot me an email. I will refund you the $7 and I'll help you figure out why it died so you can prevent it from happening again. This is a deal that you'll only see today. It goes up in price tomorrow. So make sure you take advantage of this offer. Again, just click the button below. You can buy the guide, download it, read it, and your succulents will be on their way to looking amazing. So go ahead, click that little button, and your succulents will thank you for it.